Next topic is guidelines on the phase out of mercury use in dental restorative procedure. So, what are the challenges? The use of mercury in dental amalgam has raised significantly health and environmental concern. Key challenges include health risk, because mercury is toxic and exposure can lead to serious health issues. Number two is environmental impact. Proper disposal of mercury-containing waste can contaminate water resources and harm ecosystems. Then number three, from practitioners. Resistance from practitioners. Some dental professionals may be reluctant to transition to alternative material due to cost, lack of training, or belief of efficacy of amalgam. Number four is patient acceptance. Patient may be hesitant to accept newer materials, often due to familiarity and traditional amalgam or misconception for their effectiveness. And the solution is education and awareness. So to launch comprehensive training program for dental professional on the risks of mercury and benefits of alternative materials such as composite resin or glass ionomer cements. Number two is regulatory support. Government and dental association used to implement policies that incentivize the base of mercury, such as grant of dental practices, transitioning into safer materials. That's all. Thank you.